I really hope this microphone works. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing my August Boxycharm. They were really rude and covered up the front of the box with the custom slip, so thank you so much. So the theme for this month is totally boxy. Don't really know what that means. Maybe it's like totally 90s or totally 2000s or something, because this look that I came up with this month's box is kind of like, you know, pretty in pink vibes, I guess. I've already done all my makeup on my face, so throughout this video you will see me trying on the products while I am telling you about them and my current thoughts on them, first impressions. Without further ado, let's get started. First product I received is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. The Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil is a multitasking beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows for you to use it one drop at a time. So this product's MSRP is $42 American. I don't know what it retails for in Canadian, but upon first impressions, I don't think it's something that I would repurchase. I don't really know how I feel about this because, you know, it's similar packaging to a product that we got a month or two ago, the No Pore Priming Essence from Touch in Soul. They're very similar packages, exact same squeeze tube and everything. I prefer this over this one, and they're nothing to really compare because the No Pore Priming Essence is like a water base, I think. I'm not too sure, but it's very liquidy and very hydrating. This actually makes my face itchy in a way, and it kind of leaves a pink tint. So I don't know. It's like a shimmery pink oil. It's not my favorite. So once you blend it into the skin, it's just kind of, it leaves a sheen and it's tacky, so maybe it'll help with your products to stay all day, but it's not really something that goes well with my skin so far. The next item we got in our box, everyone got one of these. It just kind of depends on what skin tone you have as to what shade you got, but we got the Becca Set and Refresh Hydra-Mist powder. This powder is so weird. I don't know if I enjoy it. First of all, you only get like half a container's worth, so you don't even get a full tub. And I emailed Boxycharm and they say that that's normal and that's what the packaging needs for the cooling effect. I'm not quite sure. But anyways, the Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh powder is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. And this product's MSRP is $39 American. So in Canadian, I am actually gonna look this one up because of how little product you get in it. I don't think it's something that I would repurchase depending on the price. Yeah, this is not something I'm going to repurchase. So this powder is $51 Canadian, so that's my currency, and you only get 10 grams of product. And it's also a really weird product. Like, I don't know if I even like it despite the price, because it literally feels like you're putting water on your face. It is so weird, and I don't know. It's odd. I'm gonna keep using it, and I will update you guys later on how I feel about it. If it shows up in a favorites, then you'll know that I really enjoy it. The next product I have is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. So it says on the card here that the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo is a highly pigmented soft shadow with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So there's a lie right there. I had major fallout when I put this shadow on my eye. So it does have fallout unless you use your finger and you don't pick up too much product. This product is an expensive dupe for the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, and yeah, I don't know, it's not really something that I would go and buy with my own money, but because it's in the box, I'll definitely use it. I actually got 2 shades in my box. So I got the purple one, which is Huckleberry, and then I got, I think the other shade I got is called French Vanilla or Vanilla. I don't know. I put it in my giveaway pile, which is across the room, because I don't really often wear silvers, and I figure might as well give it to somebody and hopefully maybe they'll use it, or gift it to somebody that they know that wears those types of shadows. So the MSRP on this product is $25. Yikes. So this product is a no-go for me. Yeah, it's pretty on the eyes. I paired it with the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the colors Cherry Wet and Raspberry on the eyes. It's really pretty, but again, I could buy a $5 dupe for it. Sorry. I will say though that this performs with a brush, unlike the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. They perform better with a finger, so the formula is a little bit different. Still not quite worth it. The next product that I got is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I originally was going to put this in my giveaway pile, but then I looked at the wand and I figured it's a wand. It's the kind of brush that I do like, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And I do have to say, this is a nice mascara. It coats my lashes well, it volumizes them, it makes them long. This is without reading the card. I don't even know what this mascara is supposed to do yet. I can't believe how bright this tube is. It hurts my eyes to look at it. It's definitely got a big ego. So on the card here it says, the Tarte Big Ego Mascara is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. I can't vouch for how long this mascara lasts because it's literally almost 11 p.m. at night, so I'm going to be washing this off in a few minutes, but it does fully load your lashes. They're not lying there, and it does definitely lift them. So 10 out of 10 for this product. I probably would purchase this again if I didn't get so many mascaras already in subscription boxes. I feel like, you know, I never have to buy a mascara, even if it's something that I really, really enjoy. But yeah, I would purchase this, pick this up if you don't have Boxycharm or haven't received it in your box, because it's definitely a really nice mascara. So the last product that I got in my box was the Steve Laurant lip pencil in the shade Vogue. It's a pretty shade. Put it on while you're wearing like a chapstick or something, because this pencil is a wood pencil, so it's very dry naturally, but it's a really beautiful color. I paired it today with a product that I got in a previous Boxycharm, I believe in June. I paired it with the Alamar Mother of Pearl gloss in the color Cyanide. I apologize deeply for not being able to pronounce that word and butchering it completely. But yeah, super pretty lip duo. It says on the card that this lip liner is good for reshaping, resizing, and redefining your pout. Not wrong. Most lip liners do that. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. I don't think this would last up to 7 hours because I automatically always wear a lip gloss over my lip liners. I do wear lip liners instead of like a liquid lipstick or a lipstick bullet because I find that they do last longer on the lips. I wouldn't say they last up to 7 hours unless you don't eat or drink for that 7 hour period. The MSRP of this product is $15. I wouldn't say that's a bad price point, but I also wouldn't say that I would go out and purchase this for $15 when I could buy, well actually this is a lie because the Bite Beauty lip pencils got discontinued, but those are my favorite wooden lip pencils, and this one is just an product. Like, I'll use it, but I won't be totally sad when it runs out. My face is so itchy from that face oil and I still have to take my picture. I don't like this lip oil or face oil. No, no sir, no sir, no sir. So that concludes my August Boxycharm subscription unboxing. If you would like future unboxings, please let me know in the comments section down below. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave a link in my description box. It does give me points for you signing up, but you also get points for signing up, I believe. And sometimes they'll send both of us a free product if you sign up. I know that right now, anyone that signs up in the month of August will get a free Butter London palette and a free set of Luxie brushes, which is pretty neat. So you end up getting 7 products instead of 5. If you vibe with me, don't forget to subscribe to me down below. I put out videos every Thursday as of now. We'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll roll out more videos as the months go by if I, get a lot more interest in my videos. But right now it's with a full-time job and running my Instagram page with different looks. I would say once a week is my go-to time to shine on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave my Instagram and Twitter handles down below if you would like to follow me. I'm sorry I'm staring at the viewfinder. I will eventually get used to staring at you right there. Let me know what you'd like to see next for future videos, and I hope you have a fabulous morning, day, or night, wherever you may be. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!